It allows me to have more time to learn more about other things because it saves me time at work, which in return gives me the opportunity to be involved in more projects. So my name is Tianqi. For short, I go by TZ. I live in Maryland State. I work for Gallaudet University. It's in the DC area. I'm an accountant. My manager at the university wanted me to just kind of up my skills. Wanted to do more like macro things, learning different kind of functions. Usually, I pulled a lot of reports and I spent a lot of time doing that. And by doing this, I figured out how I can save so much time. It has saved me a lot of time. For example, before there was a lot of data analysis and everything was kind of like a step-by-step process. But through Excel University, they got me ready. I can do things in one click and everything's just there and ready for me. It's very cool. And it's funny, so my supervisor had me take the same course. So sometimes, she took the same course as well. So we'll talk together and figure out how to work things out. It's pretty fun. I feel like Excel University is deaf-friendly for me. It has captions and it has practice files ready. The answers are ready. You can read, you have everything at your fingertips. So I don't have to look at the video. I can just look in the files for what I need. The explanations are there. It's just, sometimes if you don't understand, I look at the video, I can look at the file. I just have everything very easily at my fingertips and it's very flexible. I believe it's an easier course for the user. Oh yeah. For example, before I had one project and I want to say I spent about 3 hours. And now with Excel University, that's been knocked down to 1 hour. So I really like it this way better. I would recommend it to anyone who works with numbers, especially accountants, anyone in finance who's involved with taxes. And it would also be useful for just the general public because Excel University also provides basic courses. It's also great for personal use.